Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Shervin. I just wanted to shoot this quick video just to introduce my channel. So I day trade the E-mini S&P 500 futures contracts and the Forex pairs. On the Forex side, I usually just day trade either pound New Zealand in the Asian session or the pound Aussie in the morning session, the New York session. And so welcome to my channel. I record my trades almost every day, but sometimes depending on the schedule conflicts, I won't be able to record my trade. In either case, I hope you find my channel useful for any purpose that you want, or just if you're coming by just to watch, your trade junkie and you want to watch some trades. I hope you enjoy your stay here. And if you have any questions, if you're new to trading, whether it be Forex or futures, and you want any training guidance, I do offer private coaching, and I also have trade plans that can help you out. So if you want, you can reach out to me by email, and I'll be happy to help you guys out. Thank you for watching my channel. Hope you guys enjoy it. Cheers.